Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? How's everybody doing out there? YouTube recommended this video. It just came out 20 minutes ago. I said, you know what? Let me check it out. Let me see what it's about. My boy is Trueno. I never heard him, never heard of his music before, never even seen him before. So I'm excited. I can't wait to hear the new music. So y'all, let's get it. Thank y'all for all the support. Thank you for the comments. Drop a sub for your boy. 10,000 subs. We on the way. Let's get it, y'all. See what we about to dive into. Headphones on full blast. Volume on full blast. Alright. Gang shit. Let's get it, y'all.
You know, ATREVIDO, Pedro, el efectivo, traje el Ballve pa' mis chicos. Yeah. Atrevido, bye. You know. Ey, soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me sale malo el estribo. Wow, damn, ve lo que digo, yo soy un guacho atrevido. Por el bajo haciendo ruido, nino, pimo, por el bajo haciendo ruido, el barrio no quiere más tiro. Soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo. Wow, ve lo que...
Whoa, yo, I've never heard of this guy before. This shit is like straight, like rap. This got like a hip hop trap type sound to it. That's it. And then it has like this Spain, like I don't even know what instrument that is in the back. And then the way he's just like bopping with it, oh man, this is crazy.
Para el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo, wow. Ve lo que digo, yo soy un coche atrevido. Mai por el bajo haciendo ruido, nino, pimo, por el bajo haciendo ruido, el barrio no quiere más tiro. Le pongo, carácter, TR1 en el marker. Yo hago que lloren, que salten, a la parte y la parto en parte. Son mis negros mejor que antes, a todos tus negros le queda grande.
Yo, even the way he's like rapping and pronouncing his words, man, this is crazy. This shit this is like a banger right here. Like not even, like I need to know where this artist is from. I need to know more information. You already know in the comment section. I need y'all to drop it.
Sofoteando por Alicante. La bonitante, guacho. Flow de negro y cobro en blanco, wey. Camino con el flow intacto, camino con el flow intacto. En la boca llegan los barcos, en la boca de la los parto. Muchos raperitos que se me come la movie son actores de reparto. Vos solo decime cuándo y cuánto, vos decime cuánto. Si una vez me caigo 4 veces me levanto. Yo, no son pa' tanto. Toda Argentina esperando contrabando. 100 pesos suave, nunca hablando. Del barrio del tango. Mamita me pego, ni pago, ni paro, ni pero. Los pies solo grabo y me atrevo. Si soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo. Wow. Ve lo que digo, yo soy un coche atrevido, man.
Oh man, come on now with violence, man. Yo, put the gun away, sir. Put the gun away. This music is too far for you to be interrupting it with some nonsense, all right? My boy swagged out. He got 2 different sneakers on, and he don't even give a damn. He got the Nikes headband upside down. My boy like, yo, I'm gonna just do whatever the F I want to do. I don't care what nobody got to say.
Por el bajo haciendo ruido, nino, vimos, por el bajo haciendo ruido, el barrio no quiere más Ni tu bloque me conoce, lo sé. Tiro las guns aunque quemo los chess. Si Trueno gana, festeja a las 12. Yo soy del bajo, vos no sé. 4 AM, todo lo que ojo closer. 4 y 20, fumando mi mierda y bullshit, la mierda que diseña palo. Me muevo por kilos, me traje tranquilo, me traje de viaje mi estilo. Si no te contesto que estaba dormido, tengo más piquete que Estados Unidos. Lo que te da miedo caminan conmigo. Ey, tu shorty me dijo que ahora estás arrepentido, que era muy normal, muy aburrido. La taja a la boca y se quedó conmigo, quedó enamorada de un guacho atrevido. Atrevido, Pedro cuenta el efectivo, traje el Ballve pa' mis bitch. Atrevido, cannabis para mis panas y cada pista la visa pa' tu saga de kit. Que soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me...
Yo, what the hell? This is crazy, yo. This is crazy. I never seen no shit like this before. Especially, well, I've all the time in America when it comes to rap music, but I don't even know where he's from. I haven't seen no black people even in the video. My boy is definitely inspired by rap and trap music. The influence is there. It's obvious, you know what I'm saying? But that's what makes this shit so dope. Like the beat is unorthodox but super dope. The way he's rapping and formatted the song was crazy. And the way it's just a catchy ass song. You know what I'm saying? There's no question about that.
Así que la pizza pa' tu saga de aquí. Que soy el vocero del guero, me voy por el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo. Si ve lo que digo, yo soy un coche atrevido. Más por el bajo haciendo ruido. El papi ni nos vimos. Por el bajo haciendo ruido. El barrio no quiere más tiros. Soy el vocero del guero, me voy para el estudio y no me sale mal un estribo. Ve lo que digo, yo soy un guacho atrevido. Por el bajo haciendo ruido, Nino. Vimos, por el bajo haciendo ruido. El barrio no quiere más tiro. You know.
Oh, my boy, he said, he even gave a grrrr. Yeah. My boy got the high waters with the ankles showing. Oh, man. Yo, this was dope. This was dope. Round of applause for that one. You already know. I mean, if y'all don't know, I'm a rap fan, an R&B fan. So as soon as I heard that beat drop, I heard that rap influence, that bass. You know what I mean? I was like, yo, that shit is crazy. Like I said, my boy is super swagged out, man. He's wearing 2 different shoes. He's got the, you know, the blonde streak in his hair. You know, he's just like, it look. And then in the video, he's just young and having fun with his peoples. You know what I mean? I like seeing videos where you get to see the landscape and get to see the area where other people live. And I just thought it was a dope video, man. Like I said, my boy is swagged out, man. He's got the part, he's got the blonde streak, man. You know what I mean? He really look like he don't give a F, but he's just having a good time, man. And that, you know what I mean? You need music and videos like that, you know? Because they make you have a good time, you know? So with that being said, you already know. I got to drop the NJCHEESE approve, all right? So with that, ladies and gentlemen, like, comment, subscribe, social media links down below. 10K subs, we on the way. Hit that sub button. Peace. Jeez.